Light, inviting Cypress Place, which offers the in-demand 2-bed/2 full bath floor plan, secure entry and elevator. Prime South End location near WWU, trail system, REI, restaurants, Sehome Village and Fairhaven, bus line and I-5. Kitchen opens to the living spaces with cozy fireplace, maple cabinets, tile flooring and granite counters. Spacious primary suite with oversized walk-in closet and full bath. In-unit washer and dryer plus private covered balcony with courtyard view. All appliances, plus desk included. Extras include 2 reserved parking spots, 1 is a carport, exercise room and bike storage. HOA fee includes water, sewer, garbage, building insurance and grounds maintenance. Rental waitlist is full, so owner occupants, please hurry.